Alright, so here is our next question, or here is our question. It says, in the small town of Southwest, there are 3 families. Each family has 2 boys and 1 girl. Write an equation sentence showing the amount of kids, and we're going to represent kids with the letter K in the town. So what I'm using right now is I'm going to show the families. I'm going to say that the 2 black ones represent the 2 boys, and this represents the girl in the family. There we go. Okay, so I have my cubes to represent what I'm working with. So I'm going to look at this question. I'm going to try to figure out exactly what it is asking me. I see that I have 3 families. So I'm going to write my important information here. Okay, so I'm going to write 3 families. I know that there are 2 boys, so I'm going to abbreviate and put B for boys, put 1 G for girls, and I know that 2 boys and 1 girl actually equals 1 family. I need to make an equation showing how many kids are in this town if we were to have 3 families. So 1 family is 2 boys and 1 girl. What would I have to do to figure out how many kids are in that family? So you might be thinking, oh, I have 2 boys in a family and 1 girl. That would be, well, there's 3 of us. So you would say that there are 3 of you. How can you write that? When we write equations, we put things together like this. 2 plus 1, and we put a parenthesis around them. Parenthesis is just showing us that we're putting that together. So 2 plus 1, okay, that represents 1 family. Let's see, okay, I've got another family. I'm going to put, here's another family. 2 plus 1. And I have 1 other family. 2 plus 1. Now to write an equation, I need to figure out how many of these I have. Because remember, here's 2 boys and 1 girl. I'm going to have to go sideways on this one. 2 boys and 1 girl. 2 boys and 1 girl. Hopefully you're noticing something right now. 2 boys plus 1 girl, 2 boys plus 1 girl, and 2 boys plus 1 girl. How many of these do you see? Well, I see here's 1 family, here's 2 families, here's 3 families. Okay, so I see my visual representation of 2 boys and 1 girl, 2 boys and 1 girl, 2 boys and 1 girl, a total of 3 families. I need to write this as an equation. An equation means basically just a number sentence. And I want to know how many kids are in the town. Okay, so I'm going to start off. Okay, I know that there's 2 plus 1. Oops, here's a 1. Now, how many of these groups do we have? Notice 1, 2, 3, because that matches with the number of 3 families. So 2 plus 1 times 3. That means I have 3 of these 2 plus 1, because we have 2 boys plus 1 girl, would give us the amount of K of kids in the town. We don't have to figure out how many students there are or how many kids there are. We just need to be able to write out our number sentence. Here's a question I'd like you to be able to solve with your learning coach. A mechanic repaired 28 cars and 46 trucks last month. He spent 2 hours repairing each vehicle. Write an equation that can be used to find H, how much time the mechanic spent repairing all the vehicles. Alright, hope you learned something in flipping our classroom video, and see you in Class Connect.